All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about people's lives are in our hands. All right, so what brought this video up is if you don't follow me on my social media, why not? Facebook, Flat Rate Master Official. On Instagram, Flat Rate Master. Go follow me. If you don't follow me though, it'll be the thumbnail of the video, but you'll figure it out. My wife was in a very serious accident on Wednesday, the day before I filmed this video. She was driving to work, Atlanta rush hour traffic. First truck stopped. She came to a stop. The truck behind her came to a stop, and the truck behind him did not and smashed through everybody. Now, my wife's sore, but unhurt other than bruising, and her car did exactly what it was intended to do. Her Equinox saved her life. Airbags deployed, crumple zones crumpled, and thank God, she's okay. Admittedly, if that second truck had not been there, she'd been gone. So yesterday I spent a chunk of my day, left the shop, went, met her on the highway, took care of her, went through all the accident stuff, took her to the hospital, had her checked out. She's fine, but my point of this video is our people's lives are in our hands. If I had not kept her car in good repair, you know, if I'd have ignored an airbag light or not taken care of her brakes, or if I had, you know, it's good enough. People's lives are in our hands. So our job is to the best of the customer's budget, maintain their vehicle to safety standards. We need to make sure vehicles are safe. We need to do everything we can to make sure that vehicle is safe through informing the customer of an issue to making sure we do our job right, i.e. tightening wheels correctly, caliper bolts, you know, making sure that vehicle is safe as we can make it within the customer's budget. If a customer's not willing to pay for an airbag to be fixed, that's on them. Always document, by the way, that an airbag light is on. Cover your butt. You don't want an accident investigator coming to your door going, well, why didn't the airbags deploy? You fix this car. See, sir, we noted that the customer did not want the airbag light diagnosed. But that's the thing about auto repair. There's a lot of liability. So we need to do our jobs to the best of our ability and the customer's budget, again, to make sure that vehicle is safe. People's lives can be affected by us not doing our job. Either notating a leaking caliper, notating a, you know, ABS light, airbag light, all that stuff. We need to inform our customer that this is a safety issue and they should address it because it may cost somebody their lives. Now, again, we can't make the customer do anything, you know, but we need to cover ourselves in this industry and make sure the customer is aware of this is a safety issue and should be addressed. Nothing else to protect the shop from liability. Ignoring stuff like airbag lights and ABS lights, oh, because the customer ain't going to pay for that, so I'm not even going to put it on the ticket. Notate it. Cover your butt. You know, you do not want to have an insurance company coming after you because you didn't notate that it had an airbag light on or an ABS light, because you're the one fixing their car and they come back on you. It could be very expensive for the shop. So just a little PSA about people's lives depend on us doing our job correctly. So I know it's a little preachy, but my wife was in a pretty serious accident, so it drives it home that we got to take care of people's safety. So thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.